Hi, my name is Natasha and I am a biology major here at Cal Poly SLO, and today I am going to show you how to properly use waste containers.
Now you're probably thinking, how to use a waste container? You're kidding me, right? How hard can it be to dump some chemicals into a jar? And you're right, it isn't hard, but you'd be surprised by how many students mess it up. But what's the worst that can happen, right? Well, for one, you could end up with a crater where the lab used to be. Granted, this probably won't happen with the chemicals you're working with today, but as you move forward in your chemistry career, you'll be working with chemicals that definitely can set off an uncontrollable chain reaction if you use the wrong waste container. So it's very important to make proper waste disposal second nature now before you start working with chemicals that could reduce the lab to a smoldering pile of rubble. Proper waste disposal begins during your experiment. Because there are different types of waste, such as organic waste and heavy metal waste, and each type must go in its own waste container, it is absolutely crucial that you keep track of which is which when working with both. The simplest way to do so is to write the name of the chemicals on a strip of masking tape and stick it to the glassware. Once the experiment is over, the first thing to consider is what types of waste you have. Ask your instructor what kind of waste you have and look for the corresponding waste container. Some, but not all waste containers may be located in the fume hood. Therefore, it is very important to pay attention to the labels. Once you have located the correct waste container, double check to make sure it is in fact the correct container. Then check again. Now that you are satisfied that it is the correct waste container, open the lid, slowly pour in your waste, and when you are done, be absolutely sure to close and latch the container lid, even if it is in the fume hood. The school can be fined hundreds of dollars for each open lid, so if you see one, make sure to close it. If you are working with a waste container in the fume hood, never stick your head in the fume hood. Always keep the sash between you and the waste container in case something does go wrong. When using the hood, also be sure to always keep the yellow arrow on the sash below the yellow line on the hood, or an alarm will sound. If the alarm does sound, pull the sash back down and press the silence button. If at all possible, avoid working in the hood as it is for dangerous procedures only. Finally, be sure not to leave any extra materials in the hood when you're done.